Alright fam, today we're installing the side rails or the Nerf Bars on the 2026 Ford Ranger STX. I'm really digging this truck, and I think that adding the Nerf Bars on it or the side rails is going to make it look really nice. Alright, I got the part in. This is the part number that I just bought. I'll still put a link to the description of the one that I got, and yeah, so it should be pretty straightforward. All right, first thing we want to do is we want to check what is left and what is right. Lay it all out first before you start bolting up. Obviously here I already put in and just kind of hand tightened the brackets. You want to make sure that the flange is facing backwards, and then once I have that, then we'll look at the rail itself. And then this one here, you're gonna have the one that has the bigger spaces, is a 10.5 versus a 7.5 on the back end, and then that should fit. So now we'll go ahead and mount that. And then once we have that, we'll go ahead and start tightening up the brackets, and then we'll start tightening up all the bolts here and just kind of finish off, and then we'll go do the same thing on the other side. Once you have it all hand tight, you have it where you want it, bolt it all down, and there you go. And just like that, they're done. And again, these are one of probably the easiest mods that you can do to your STX, assuming that they don't come with them anyways. So I like it. Looks real good. Yeah.